If you want to stop the notification bar while you're playing PUBG on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. As you can see, as I was playing PUBG, I have received a notification, and also the notification panel is enabled while I'm playing games. Now to turn off both of them, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, then tap on guided access. Now just enable this toggle, and after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open PUBG. Now after you open PUBG, now just press the power button 3 times, and after you do that, you will open the guided access settings. Tap on start. Now just create a passcode for guided access. Then enter the passcode again to confirm the passcode. And after you do that, you will enable guided access and you will turn off the notification panel or the control center while playing. And if you even receive a notification, it will not show in a pop-up view. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.